Yes, people, this is your girl Aleisha Lee, and welcome back to another episode of Motivational Lee. On this week's episode, we will be looking at Law 13 as we continue our 48 Laws of Power series. When asking for help, appeal to people's self-interest, never to their mercy or gratitude. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into this. Law 13 talks about asking for help, but appealing to people's self-interest rather than appealing to their mercy or gratitude. Now, this law states if you need to turn to an ally for help, do not remind them of your past assistance or good deeds. They will find a way to ignore you. Instead, what you need to do is request an alliance with them. That's something that will benefit them, and emphasize it out how this will benefit them. And they will be happy to hear how what you're saying to them will benefit them. So rather than you saying something like, I need your help, like anything you can do to help me would be appreciated because I really need this help. Like there's so much that I can do with this, and just you helping me would be amazing. Rather than if you said something like this, see, just by you helping me, you will be doing a great deed. Just by you helping me, this will actually put you in a great light with this company. There's this company that are looking for volunteers that, you know, help people like me, and I can put you in touch with those people just by you helping me. Just by framing that in a different way rather than this will help me. If you also explain how this is also going to help them and what the benefits are for them, that's going to put you in a better position than you just talking about what this will do for you. It needs to be reciprocal. It needs to be something that that person can see there's also a benefit from, which will make them even want to do that for you even more. I hope that has given you a summary of what Law 13 is saying. When asking for help, you have to appeal to people's self-interest. If you are asking for help, how is that going to help them? So yes, people, that is Law 13, a brief summary there. When asking for help, appeal to people's self-interest, never to their mercy or gratitude. In next week's video, we will be looking at Law 14, pose as a friend, work as a spy. But yes, people, that is it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Is Law 13 a law that you've used in the past? Is it something that you could see yourself using in the future? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you have a great week. Enjoy yourselves. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please let everyone know what we've got going on over here. Have a great week. Enjoy, stay blessed, and yeah, I'll catch you in my next video. Dunno, boy.